Imagine a pocket-sized drone that captures stunning aerial videos. A flying HD camera without the challenge of piloting a drone.
Hi, I'm Vernon, and we're the team that makes Microdrone.
In 2015, we had an idea for a palm-sized drone, the first of its kind. With your support, we smashed all our funding goals, which helped get Microdrone off to a flying start.
Microdrone
3.0.
We created tooling, worked with factories, started production, and shipped 32,000 drones all over the world.
We can't thank you enough for your support. We collected lots of useful feedback. Now we are ready to introduce the next generation drone. This is Microdrone 4.0.
Our mission is to make the world's coolest, smallest drone. With more sensors, upgraded camera, and a stabilizing gimbal, Microdrone 4.0 is the most advanced, easy-to-fly drone to date. We wanted to make it super easy to fly, so it can be used straight out of the box. Fitted with a high-quality Sony sensor, the image is crisp for improved video capture that's striking and clear. Microdrone 4.0 is no ordinary drone. A tiny 2-axis gimbal provides fluid motion that eliminates shake, giving you buttery smooth footage using both mechanical stabilization and EIS. It allows you to create cinematic filming techniques that excite and inspire. A compact foldable design means you can take it with you anywhere. On your travels, it conveniently stores away for when portability matters. We don't want anyone to miss a special moment. Take it out and 3 clicks gets you airborne in less than 5 seconds. It comes with a brand new app with advanced camera controls. We have completely redesigned the drone from the ground up with a brand new shape that's optimized for power and performance. Take your hands off the controls, and the technology inside Microdrone enables it to fly autonomously without any manual controls. The drone integrates powerful AI tracking that complements smooth, stable shots and flies fast enough to keep up with high-speed action.
Neurala creates artificial intelligence for drones. Our artificial intelligence is built directly on the phone that controls the drone. Beyond live track, we will bring even more AI to Microdrone 4.0. The ability for the drone to orbit around the object of interest at 360 degrees, and the ability to recognize the hand of the owner and land on it.
We're taking it to the next level in stability, size, affordability, and ease of use.
With development complete and prototypes extensively tested, with your support, we are now ready to start production, which will help create the most exciting, easy to use, and stable drone that anyone can fly. Thank you.
Help us to take this into production. The more funding we can raise, the more functionality, upgrades, and accessories we can add to the existing drone.
Flexi Drone assembly incomplete. Please attach all my arms. Flexi Drone X8 is ready. Flexi Drone X8 is ready. Flexi Drone X8 is ready.
Flying on a paper airplane must be so magical. With your help, magical is about to become unfreaking believable. This is Shai, a pilot, an industrial designer, and an inventor. He is a world-known expert in cool stuff that flies. 2 years ago, Shai was challenged by his friend to create a smartphone-controlled paper airplane. Thanks to 21,000 backers on Kickstarter, he made it happen. People all over the world are now controlling paper planes from their smartphones with PowerUp 3. Shai proudly came back to his friend and his friend said, "Wow, that is magical. But you can't put a live streaming camera on a paper airplane." Shai thought for a minute and said, "Challenge accepted." Now, after 2 years of testing and prototyping, meet Shai's new unfreaking believable invention. PowerUp FPV. The first ever paper airplane drone with a live streaming camera. Using state-of-the-art technology, PowerUp FPV lets you see what your plane sees. To put it in different words, you feel as if you are flying through the air, riding a paper airplane. Yes, PowerUp FPV makes your regular paper plane look like a kitty next to a lion, riding a T-Rex. Just take a piece of paper, fold it into a plane, and attach the module. Put your phone in the cardboard viewer, and you're ready to fly. The camera streams live video to an app on your very own smartphone sitting in the head-mounted goggles. To control your plane, just tilt your head lightly. And there's also a gamepad mode for when you feel like handheld control. PowerUp FPV's camera can swivel around. That's how you also get wing view and back view, so you can see this defining moment in your life. Look, it's you flying a PowerUp FPV. Shai wanted to create the most immersive real-time experience. That's why he partnered with the good folks at Parrot, world experts in wireless streaming and creators of the AR drone. With their help, PowerUp FPV streams live video over Wi-Fi from over 300 feet. To make the experience really smooth, PowerUp FPV has a ton of sensors and an onboard computer with real-world autopilot mode, making it nearly uncrashable. Nearly. PowerUp FPV is ready for production. So if you love flying and want to ride a paper airplane, back PowerUp FPV and help make what was once magical unfreaking believable.
Imagine a machine that has the performance of a tank and a drone. Meet the Xtankcopter. the world's first flying tank, on the ground, go through narrow gaps, drive in rough terrain, drift and more.
Hi, my name is Vitek and this is the Xtankcopter. After 2 years of development, I can finally say the drone is ready to bring you a lot of fun. My background is in product design and robotics. Since the drones being only able to fly, my ultimate goal was to design the drone that can operate in different environments.
In the air, the drone is an agile flyer. The onboard camera will capture your mission in HD quality. Take full control of the drone with the included smartphone app. Immerse yourself in the experience with the included high-quality VR goggles. The drone features Caterpillar tracks, 3.6-inch propellers, HD camera, micro SD card, front and back lights, can fit various battery sizes, pivoting crash-resistant arms. It also comes with a 2.4 GHz remote controller. Don't worry, we've got your back here. The drone's arms are designed to survive the worst crashes. The Xtankcopter is production ready, but we need your help in order to meet the factory minimum order quantity and make it available to everyone at affordable price.
Thank you for your time and support.
Say hello to the Gladius, a smart, submersible drone built for filming, exploring, and observing the underwater world. A portable and user-friendly device, you'll be amazed by the sea life you can find just below the waterline. Impress your friends with the ultra-high-definition 4K camera and stunning 12-megapixel photos with dual dimmable LED lights that cover 135 degrees. Fly around the coral reef with ease, utilizing Gladius's incredible stabilizing technology. Using the simple game-like controller, navigate comfortably with the 2 joysticks and capture photo and video with the push of a button. Explore places you've never been, hop on a boat with some friends, and search the deep with dives down to 100 meters. See something in the distance? Go check it out! The towable floating buoy has a far-reaching 100-meter safe operating range. Gladius comes with 2 kinds of buoyancy weight modules for both freshwater and seawater. Select the proper weight module for any type of adventure. Enjoy your day at the beach. With 2 built-in batteries, you will have plenty of time to see beautiful seascapes, staying submerged for up to 3.5 hours on 1 charge. Whether you are a scuba diver, underwater photographer, fisherman, or explorer, the Gladius is an excellent tool for you. Capture your deep water adventure everywhere. Welcome to the underwater world.